Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a booking on Agoda. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Agoda app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Agoda account. Now on the screen at the bottom, you can see options like Home, My Trips, Deals, Cards, and more. You have to go ahead and tap on My Trips there. Now under Upcoming Trip, you're gonna find the hotel that you booked. Just tap on Manage Booking, tap on Cancel Booking option right beside Edit Booking, then select the reason for cancellation from the screen, then continue with cancellation. And guys, that's it. That's how you cancel a booking on Agoda. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.